लक्षात आणून द्यायचं. रेकॉर्डिंग ऑन केली नव्हती मी. येस, हाफ एन आवर. येस, लक्षात आणून देत जावा मला. ओके, हाऊ मेनी पॅरामीटर वी विल पास हियर. लक्षात ठेवा, पॅरामीटर आणि आर्ग्युमेंट्स काही वेगळे नाहीयेत. आर्ग्युमेंट्स we will pass it in your function. Okay, and my df my function, how many argument we will pass here right now? Yes, how many argument we will pass here? Yes, yes, student, give me reply please. Yes, yes, how many argument we will pass here? Yes, student. 3. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, then we will write it here. Print welcome to welcome to our class. Okay, then we will pass it here plus student 3. Okay, then we will call it. Yes, save it program a k f dot py. Okay, keywords function program. Okay, then run it. Anything will be print here. Yes, because we will not call our function. Yes, then we will call it here our function. Write it here, calling our function. Okay, my function. Yes, student, tell me your name. Then we will pass it here. Your name. Firstly, yes, tell me your name. Yes. Hello. Tell your name fastly. Yes. Tell me your name. Yes. We will write it your name here. First, tell me your name. Yes. Yes, student. Please make it fast. Yes. Yes. No one was interested to tell your name. Yes. Vijay. Write it here, Vijay. Okay. Next one, we will write it here. Student 2. Let it be student 2. Shreya. Next student, at least one student name. Tell me fast. Yes, at least one student name. I'm expected from your side. I'm also already write it your name. Only at least one student. Yes. Yes. At least one student. They give the reply. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes, student. May I audible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Tell me your name. At least one student give me your name. Yes. At least one student. I'm expected from your side to tell your name fastly. Yes. Yes, student. Please reply my question. Okay. Shubham. We'll write it here. Shubham. Okay. See here. What is the output is interested. Okay. Output is interested. Okay. Save it. This program run this. Okay. Welcome our class Shubham. Okay. Why only Shubham will print here? Yes. Anyone? Anyone explain it? Because only we will write only print student 3. Yes. Suppose we will print it here student 2. Yes. Then what is our output here? Run this model. Welcome to our class Shreya. Yes. Suppose we will write it here student 1. Then what will the output here? Run this model Vijay. Okay. All of you understood? Keywords argument. They are having the in your function argument, they are having two types. Okay. First one, default argument. Yes, we will see default argument. We will write it message. Okay. Then we will see arguments. Yes, we will pass it one argument name. Okay. Yes. Then we will see two argument. We will pass it in your function. Yes. Then we will see keywords argument. Next, we will see arbitrary argument. Okay. What is meant by arbitrary argument? We will indicate the arbitrary argument with asterisk symbol. Okay. See here in this function definition, we will use asterisk before we will use it parameter name. Okay. See here, write it here only student. Student. Okay. And write it here asterisk symbol. Okay. Then what is our next task? Yes. Then you write it here plus array. You pass it here array. Okay. Then write it here only student name. Okay. Save this change. Run this module. Why like this happen here? Don't know. Okay. Save this change. Run this module. Why it is bad opera? No. Why print welcome to class? Our class plus student 2. Okay. It's arbitrary value. Okay. Save this change. Run this model. Same. Yes, anyone want to run this program, arbitrary argument, Shreya? Yes, anyone, at least one student run this program.
No, ma'am, error येतोय.
Error येतोय ना? Yes. Okay. Wait for a minute. We will go for our next. Yes. Function. Wait function. asterisk keeps. Okay. Will this print it here? The youngest child is, comma, plus kids, comma, 2. Okay. Then we will call it here, calling the function, then print here A, then B, then B, C. Save this change and write it here A form dot py. Okay. Then run it module ABC. Okay. Why? Oh, we will pass it here to array. Yes. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Suppose you pass it here third string D. Then what happened here? Check it once again. A, B, C, D. Okay. You will print it all string in your in your program. Okay, you will write it here A, B, C, D. It's 2. We will pass it here array 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will pass it here suppose 10. Save this change. Array size is large. A, B, C, D in all array should be print. Array indexes should be print here. Okay. Yes, all of you understood. Shreya, write it the program in your yes, write it. Yes, they're having too much less time. We will complete our syllabus in your fast. Okay. Yes. Next program. Okay. Next anonymous function. Yes, anonymous function. We will write it without a name. Define a function without name. Normal function. What will be used in normal function? Def function. Yes, but anonymous function without we will write it definition def. We will run it your program. Okay, using lambda keyword. Okay, only one line statement. Use it only one line. You run it all program. Okay. Yes. See here how to. Yes, Amar, absolutely right. Means lambda keyword. We will use it. See here. Will define anonymous function. Anyone say explain anonymous function. Then tell them anonymous function. We will declare it one line. Okay, using the lambda keyword. Okay. Yes, understood. Lambda keyword, we will use it for anonymous function. Only one line statement without using def keywords. Okay. Without using def keyword, we will run our program. Okay. Syntax, what is our syntax? Lambda, argument, colon, expression. Okay. And lambda function commonly used along with built-in function like filters and map. Okay, we will see it our theory, our program file new. What is the syntax of lambda function? Lambda. What is the our function? Lambda. Yes. We will see it in a syntax of lambda function. Yes. What is the yes, sorry. Oops, concept. Okay, lambda, arguments and colon expression. Okay, then we will see it lambda, arguments and expression. Expression means what? Addition. If you want to do addition in your program, if you want to do it subtraction in your program and multiplication in your program, सिर्फ वन लाइन मध्ये आपण प्रिंट करू शकतो. ओके, राइट इट हियर. x is equal to lambda. Lambda is a keyword. त्यासाठी ते ग्रीन इन कलर. ओके, जे पण कलर मध्ये येतात, जे कीवर्ड कलर मध्ये येतात ते कीवर्ड्स असतात. ओके, इन पायथॉन. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस. लॅम्डा a colon a plus 10. Okay, then print x and eighth value is 5. Okay, and then save this program. L demo e.py and run the module 15. Suppose you write it here, h value तुम्ही 23 दिली आहे. Okay, and save this program and run this module. What is our output? 33. म्हणजे तुम्ही एका लाईन मध्ये पण प्रोग्राम लिहू शकता युजिंग लॅम्डा कीवर्ड्स. ओके, लॅम्डा फंक्शन यूज करून. ओके, that's why it is anonymous function. Okay, then we will see it here. Next program, write it here, write it in your command. Okay, all of you perform it in your own. Okay, we will see it here, all program. Yes, but you try it in your own. Okay, y is equal to lambda. Y is equal to lambda a comma b. What? How many arguments we will pass here? 2 arguments. Yes, a, b. Okay, then we will perform expression a into b. Okay, then print it y 30, 10. Then save this program, run this module 300. Okay, write it here 12 and 2. Okay, save this change, run this module 24. Okay, yes, absolutely right, Amar. Yes, all of you understood? Suppose I will give you one problem statement for you. Create a function without any function definition. Then what will be? Use it here. Lambda keywords and take the parameter and write it here a plus b. Using this statement, you write it here and pass it and create. Suppose my problem statement already, all of you understood what is my problem statement. Okay, create a function without any name that can accept two arguments and then print sum of its value. Okay, then what will we do here? Yes, all of you, tell me what will we do here? परत मी एकदा मी सांगते क्वेश्चन माझा, मी अजून एकदा सांगते, तुम्ही नीट लक्ष द्या. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू. श्रेया, प्रतीक्षा, B34 roll number. Okay, all of you give me reply. I'm expected from your side reply. Okay, create a function without any name that can accept two arguments and then print sum of its value. आपण कोणतं फंक्शन यूज करू शकतो या वेळेला, या क्वेश्चनला, या क्वेश्चन मार्क्सला? येस, कोणतं फंक्शन यूज करू शकतो या क्वेश्चन मार्क्सला? या क्वेश्चनला आपण कोणतं फंक्शन यूज करू शकतो? येस, we will write it here, chat box. Create a function without any name that can accept two arguments and then print sum of its value. This is my question. All of you see this screen? This is my question. I am expected from your side. What is the function we will use it? Yes. Please give me reply for this question. Yes. Please give me the reply of this question. I am expected from your side. Yes, only one line statement here. Yes or no? Only one line statement here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. All of you understood this much part in our session? Yes? And recursion. Take the homework problem statement. What is recursion? Recursion is recursive function means we will call it repeated time. Okay, we will write it a program. अगोदर आपण फॅक्टोरियल नंबर प्रोग्राम घेतलेला. येस येस घेतलेला का? Yes, absolutely right. B34 roll number. Yes. Calling itself means we will call it repeated time. Yes, factorial is 5. Okay, factorial, enter a number, factorial of 5. Okay, then we will condition, we will not do it up to 5. आपण जोपर्यंत कॅल्क्युलेट कितीपर्यंत करत जाणार? 5. So we will कंडिशन till condition it is true. जोपर्यंत कंडिशन ट्रू होत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करत जाणार इन्फिनाइट टाइम. येस, इट इज अ बेस्ट प्रोग्राम. बेस्ट डोळे झाकून सुद्धा आपल्याला त्याचं एक्झाम्पल देता आलं पाहिजे. फॅक्टोरियल नंबर अँड फिबोनाची सिरीज. इट इज अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इन रिकर्जन. ओके, yes, absolutely all of you know about it, factorial number and Fibonacci series. Yes, अजून एकदा सांगायची काय गरज आहे का? रिकर्जनचं कोणते एक्झाम्पल बेस्ट आहे? येस येस स्टुडंट, गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. ओनली having the 15 or 20 days. So many reply that 34 roll number. B34 roll number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Keep it up. Practice it. Python programming. Okay, it is very useful for in your betterment. Okay, practice it very well. But in call me in after the session. Okay. Yes. Shreya and all of you practice it very well. If you are having any doubt, only basic part should be clear. Okay. If you are having basic part clear in all language, no need to take any extra effort and take it aptitude clear in your placement point of view. Placement point of view, practical is very important. Okay. Recursion is the best example for factorial number and Fibonacci series. Today's homework is for you using recursive technique solve two problem statements, factorial number and Fibonacci series up to tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, and send me ESL 3. Okay, तुम्ही तसे मला प्रोग्रामचा आउटपुट देणार, तुम्ही जसे होमवर्क कम्प्लीट करणार तसा तुमचा परफॉर्मन्स कॅल्क्युलेट होणार. मी ते सगळ्यांचे परफॉर्मन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करत आहे. नाही, मी सगळ्यांना सांगते. हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट? 72 or 73. मी सगळ्यांचे परफॉर्मन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आणि त्याचप्रमाणे तुमचा परफॉर्मन्सचा रिपोर्ट तयार होणार. येस, समजलं का सगळ्यांना? Yes, write a program factorial number. Today's homework, write a program factorial number and write a program Fibonacci series. Okay? Yes, today's homework. Write down your roll number, name into chat box. Vidingi. आणि याच्या पुढे मी फास्ट घेणार आहे. 2 hours 3 hours साठी पण तयार राहिलं पाहिजे तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी. ओके, मी एकच अवर घेईन असला प्रश्न नाही. मला ओव्हरऑल सिलेबस कम्प्लीट करायचा आहे. त्यासाठी तुम्ही 6 पर्यंत तुमचं टायमिंगची डेट वाढवा. ओके, मी कधीही लेक्चर घेऊ शकते तुमचं. ओके, कंटिन्युअस 2 hours. Within 5 minutes remaining, write it your presently into chat box. Today we will discuss with arbitrary with the default function, argument, we will pass it argument function. Then we will see the arbitrary function. Then we will see it keywords or arguments. Then we will see it anonymous function in today's lecture. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any doubt in this topic? We will revise the concept recursion in our next session. Okay. And all of you perform the two program in your laptop. Yes. If you are having no any laptop, perform it in your mobile. Okay. And send in our ESL 3 group. Okay. We will calculate all performance in all students. Yes. In based on performance, report should be clear. Okay. All of you write down your present in your chat box. Yes. Yes. CR, both division CR, A and B. Then we will close the meeting. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat today's task?
See here, take it screenshot of the program. Write a program factorial number using the recursive technique. Solve the program factorial number and then write a program Fibonacci series. Okay, and all of you already we will discuss factorial number. What is our factorial logic? Fact is equal to fact into I. But in recursive, first check it is less than 1, then go inside return n. What is your return n means? Number, and then else return n plus what is a formula of factorial. Okay, and then number is equal to 10. Then you print it. If it is enter the positive, then print it 5 is positive number. Then factorial of 5.
दोघांनीच टाकले.
Hello.
दोघांनीच टाकले.
Please mute
दोघांनी
yourself.
टाकले की.
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. And negative number चा factorial निघत नाही. Negative number टाकू नका. Negative number टाकला की factorial 0 येतं. Okay. Don't write negative number. Only positive number. If positive, then factorial is output is your 125. Okay. If it is negative, print it recursive. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes. Yes. Already, I will tell you factorial logic and Fibonacci series logic. You take 2 days. Okay. Your hand 2 days. Tomorrow 5 p.m. Don't म्हणजे गडबडीने कोणतेही सॉल्व करू नका. काय 5 वाजेपर्यंत उद्यापर्यंत मला हे 2 प्रोग्राम ESL 3 ग्रुप मध्ये आउटपुट पाहिजे मला. याचे आउटपुट प्लस लॉजिक. ओके. येस. आणि सगळ्यांनी कमांड टाकायला विसरू नका. इफ यू राईट एनी स्टेटमेंट इन युअर प्रोग्राम, राईट इट कमांड्स इन युअर स्टार्टेड पॉइंट. ओके. कमांड लिहायला विसरू नका. ती तुमची माहिती असते प्रोग्रामची, काय तुम्ही करणार आहे, तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे आहे त्याची माहिती असते. ते कधीही विसरायचं नाही. ओके. येस. We will close it your meeting today. Yes, I am very happy to solve both division. You solve it very well. If it is not solve the question, if you are having time to solve it today up to 5 p.m. my question. Okay. And tomorrow 5 p.m. to program factorial of number and Fibonacci series. Okay. Yes, we will close it. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. Yes. CR. Who is a CR of A and B division? Yes. We will close it meeting. मी मीटिंग क्लोज करू का? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will close it meeting. Okay, all of you write down your roll number into chat box. Okay. We will stop here. You are having good day, good session. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay. Good day.